Wow, yan o.
Akin na lang yan.
Ganda o.
Magkano yan?
Di apat na TV plus ito, minodif...
Hindi, magkano yung TV?
Custom nila Adoy. Ito, TCL lang to, 26 isa. Pwede na, di ba?
Oh, pwede na.
Ang ang lakas makadating. Kumpara sa wala. Tapos, hindi pa natin, hindi pa tayo magtatapon ng pera sa renta.
Eh, pero sa mga gamitin yan.
Ha?
Sa mga gamitin.
Ikaw ba, nafe-feel mo yung difference ito versus ito? Mas makapal to, di ba? Versus ito.
Sa mga gamitin yung TV.
Wala, mga events na. Pwede na tayo magpa-event. Congratulations, Adoy. I'm so proud of you. Galing, oh. Execution natin yan. Tapos yung lighting, pet na. Galing, galing. Invention natin yan. Hello, Gerald. Boy ko. Pati pala. Mga ano. Oo nga, nauna pa ang kahit media team nyo.
A big round of applause for past President Anita Jr.
Volume.
Thanks so much, Penta, for that very beautiful presentation. Now, these next words are actually meant to be
3 of 2023. Cultivating the soil represents our evolution to adapt to modern tools. These tools will lay the foundation of our daily communication and collaboration, synergizing voices, ideas, and contribution from every PETDA all over the country. From quarter 4 of 2023 until the second half of 2024 will be about planting the seeds, symbolizing our commitment in nurturing and developing our cohorts for the future. We envision an association where our unified approach gives us unparalleled strength and advantage in every business dealings when we move as one. For the latter half of 2024 through 2025 is all about harvesting the fruits. This period should be the realization of our efforts, the fruits of our labor. We aspire to make membership with PETDA synonymous with the word advantage. Dapat yung PETDA, bawat dealer ng Petron, sasabihin niya, dapat PETDA member ako. a future filled with opportunities for all our United dealers aspiring to even extend our blessings and success to our local communities. By this time, my co-dealers, my term will be just about finished. All good things must come to an end. So for the middle of the year 2025, you will bear witness on the passing of the torch. I will then turn over the baton to the next generation. When I accepted this role, I focused my heart not on what to do at the start, but on how to end it with a lasting legacy to our fellow dealers. Everything should be about continuity. PETA has been in existence for the last 52 years, and continuity is a must. All our actions today should be about sowing the seeds and prosperous future. Dear cohorts, tonight does not simply represent the celebration of your induction. It is a testament to the trust and faith we have in you, our members have in us, for your unwavering passion to serve. Your roles are at the center of our shared vision, and we are confident that collectively we will write one of the most glorious chapters in PETA's history. Sana. The next 2 years will not be easy, and it is important that you believe in what you do every day for our beloved PETA. To our Mega Manila A team, thank you, thank you, thank you, and congratulations. Get ready for change. We will move as one. We are PETA United. Can you please repeat after me? We are PETA United. We are PETA United. We are PETA United. Thank you, everyone, and good evening. But before I will go down the podium or the stage, I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to the following. Kathy Cazares, alam ko napapanood mo kami ngayon. We are in Facebook Live right now. Thank you, Kathy, for really helping us craft this event. Si Kathy, talagang meticulously, painstakingly, minsan nagpupuyat yan with our staff in social media just to make this program perfect. Pero alam ko na marami ring imperfect. It's difficult. Kathy, salamat, Kathy. For our media team, yung 9 media team namin, napapagalitan na ako sa opisina. Sabi nung anak kong isa, Mami, ang lakas mong kumain ng tao. Kasi for almost 2 weeks, we are doing nothing but for PETA. Nagpupunta ako sa Bedrock, hindi para magtrabaho, para gawin lang ang PETA. The last but not the least, of course, is Baby J, Catalina Baby Winio. Si Baby, actually Baby, siya ang siyang nag-convince sa akin to go back again to the board. And who can say no to Ma'am Baby, di ba? Bit niya yung nomination form, wala ka talagang magawa kundi pumirma lang. Okay. Si Baby, of course, in Mega Manila, alam naman natin na Baby is our main pillar for the Mega Manila PETA. Baby, si Baby, when I said that the first part of my program is to really focus on the coordinators, and I want to start that in Metro Manila. So, syempre, naisip ko kagad is induction, event, ito. Pero baby said na it will be meaningful kasi for 3 years parang natutulog lahat ang course natin because of the COVID and everything. So she decided, let us hold a team building activity for the coordinators. And it was so successful last August 8. So with that, actually after the August 8 event, I also decided that we will, as much as possible, we can replicate this activity throughout the country. By the way, yung numbers lang, we have about, if all areas, sales route areas are complete in the organization of coordinators, we will have about 100 coordinators nationwide. Right now, per record, I think baka nasa 98 na kami. Almost complete in all areas. So, our upcoming event would be on September. We will closely coordinate with PEDA. Hindi ho tayo, wala akong isang dealer ang pwedeng sabihin niyang kaya kong magnegosyo ng Petron by myself. Hindi ho natin kakayanin ho yun. We need the community of the other members. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi ulit.
Thank you, President Sonia. Before you go down the stage though, since nasa stage na kayo, your son has requested your presence since maikling segment lang naman to. We would like to call the son of Ma'am Sonia and area coordinator of RE3, Vince Madrid, to lead us in a toast. Pinabahan naman natin si Vince.
Future endeavors be successful, if not maybe more. And let us shine as a beacon of unity, innovations, and achievements. May we continue to shine, and here's to PEDA Association. Cheers! PEDA Mega Manila 80. Cheers!
Cheers! But let's take a look at what the screen holds.
Ni Ryan, grabe yung... Ni Ryan, ni Ryan, lahat ng mali nangyayari sa TV, walang sound. Alam kong pawis sa pawis eh.
Hindi siya mag-breakdown. Buti hindi siya nag-breakdown.
Paano uwi kayo? Kaya nyo na? Kaya nyo na? Sa inyo na si ano? Sa inyo na sumabay. Ito yung setup nila Adoy, tubular. Ganun pagkakabit. So rin-enforce pa nila dito on the spot. Tapos mga bracket. Ito na 0-0 nila.
ako yung papalitan next president.
Sino?
Ako yung papalitan sa kapit ng
Sino ba yung next president?
Kawawa nga.
Oo nga.
Mama, nagbitaw na ng gasalita. Ayoko na eh.
Kaya nga, yun lang, sabi yun nga.
Kajelo, ang plano, dapat si Mami yung best president. Ano mo ba nila tingin? Yung susunod talaga mukhang masakan. Iwanan lahat. Parang alam mo yung video. Okay, one.
Baba rin sa rito.
One.
Video.
Guys, ito na. First ever na nabuo ang media team sa buong Pilipinas. PTEX, Makati, QC, ano ka, Colorum ka eh. Ito, Colorum. QC, ito bago lang. QC, mga ano rito, Colorum, tsaka si IE. Pero, ito yung first ever na, di ba Kim, nagkaroon ng media production na hindi na sila Jonas ang ginugulo, sila Teresa. So may media team na talaga.
Madami na kami kaya mas maganda sa Miss Madrid.
Galing, dumadami media team. Grabe oh. Yan yung mga ibibigay sa... Oh, yan yung mga ibibigay sa taong grasa, tigil niya. Para sa taong grasa yan eh. Hoy! Huwag nyo agawan yung mga taong grasa.
Sir, taong grasa din kami, sir. Taong grasa din kami, sir.
Yun lang. Good job, good job.
Edwin Tan. Sabi ni Edwin Tan, nako, Sonia, paano yan? Atras na kahit na sino dito, walang gustong magpresidente. Sabi ni Baby, resources is another thing. Marami namang may resources. But the willingness to share the resources is another thing. Kahit na may resources ka, kung ayaw mong mag-share, Lara, itago mo na yun.
Color pin po. Tsaka yung sa pledge po nila, Ma'am Cathy, paano po ito, Ma'am?
Wala na may, ibibigay mo na lang sa kanila.
Pag pumunta na lang po sila. Sige.
Thank you, Lara.
You're welcome.
Lara.
Sabi nila kanina, sabi nila.
Ano yan? Ito ba ng ano, ng events? Sabi ko, hindi, tao namin. Bakit may events business ba kayo? Anong tawag doon?
Parang ganun.
Parang nag-events. Sabi ko, hindi, ginagamit lang namin sa ano. Ay, hindi, tingin ko ata ginagamit lang sa ano, internal use. Internal use, overkill naman, oo, yan. Sabi ko gano'n. Hindi sir, kasi ano, sila Anthony. Sabi ko, kasi ano, pag nag-awarding kasi yung BPO, ano sila, yung grande talaga, parang ano, celebrity. BPO? Oo. So, parang alam mo yung lahat sila, alam mo yung makikita mo lahat ng mga question marks.
Sabi ni Maggie, uy, Sonia, are you sure? Talaga mayroon ba kayong ganyan? Oo, sabi, yung team yung social, mga ilan yan. Sabi ko, combine siguro, mga 30 yung mga yan. Sabi ko. Tapos sabi ko, talaga, oh, there's so plenty. Sabi ni Maggie, uy, pwede bang ano yan?
Hiramin.
Oo, sa Petron daw.
Hiramin talaga eh. Hindi renta eh. Hiramin eh.
Diba?
Free of charge.
Pero station ng kapalit.